welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today I'm going to give you the rundown on my June IPSY bag. Now this month is pretty cool because IPSY actually partnered with Tetris. Yes, Tetris, like the game with the falling blocks that you used to play. And they came up with this little orange bag. Now I actually love this bag. I think this is my favorite IPSY bag so far, which is really weird because I normally don't like themed kind of items. Like this is Tetris themed and I normally wouldn't like that. To be completely honest, at first I thought these little white things were polka dots, which made me love it even more. They're not polka dots, they are Tetris blocks, but honestly, if you would not have told me that this was Tetris and everything was themed Tetris, then I wouldn't have known. But I really like this. I love the geometric shape, how it's kind of mismatched with shapes and colors and patterns. I love the colors of it, which is really also kind of weird because I don't like orange. It even comes with this cute little Tetris block zipper. Very, very Tetris themed this month. Brings me to my first item, which is this brush, which is also Tetris themed. On the sides of it, they are little falling blocks on it. Let me see, who makes this? Who makes this brush? It's just called Tetris and IPSY Tapered Blending Brush. I do have to say, this plastic part, the handle feels super cheap. It feels really, really, really cheap. It's probably just because of the material it's made out of, but the plastic feels really cheap. Other than that, I actually really like the length of this brush. I don't know why, I do like longer brushes, and the shape is really nice. It's going to be perfect for blending, and I don't feel like it's too big. My eyes are pretty small to try to get in here, and I feel like this is actually like a really, really good size. So that is my first item, Tetris and IPSY Tapered Blending Brush. I think almost everybody got this month. What I got is I Do Care Sugar Kitten Hydrating Holographic Peel-Off Mask. Ooh, that is a mouthful. It's a really just cute little sample of a peel-off mask, which is holographic and pretty dang awesome. I have not tried this out yet. I did just kind of swatch it on my hand just to make sure I wasn't allergic to it or anything like that. So it's a cute little purple container. The inside is a green, I'm trying not to like spill it, it's a green holographic peel-off mask. I did get some on my hand right here. So it looks green in the container, but then when you swatch it, I don't know if you guys can see it, it turns a purpley pink holographic color. And this actually is kind of long. It says wait 20 to 30 minutes. That's a long time to wait for something to dry. So I'm just going to let this dry while I do the other items here, but 20 to 30 minutes. And like I said, I didn't try this, so I don't know if it's hydrating like it claims. I only tried it on my hand, and I'm going to continue to do that right now, but we'll see. The next product in my IPSY bag is a full-size nail polish. I love nail polishes. This is Fluide, and the shade is Secret Project Robot. So I'm going to just put this on one of my nails, and it just looks like a deep blue color. And I just put a few swipes on my nail there. I really like it. I like blues. My husband loved it. He's like, ooh, I actually really like that. And he's not really a bright nail polish lover. I mean, he's a man, so he wouldn't be anyways, but he normally does kind of compliment or disagree with what my nail colors are, so he really, really liked this one. I like it too. I'm going to see how this dries as we do this as well. It says to apply 2 coats, but this is just 1 coat. I don't know if you would even need a second. I guess we'll have to see as it dries. On to the products I can actually try on for you. The first one is an eyeshadow by Space Case Cosmetics. Where is the shade name? Oh, this is Intense Stargasm, and this is a pretty good size. I'm very happy with the size of this right now. Let's go ahead and break it out here for you. I did already look at it. I did already swatch it, so it does not look as nice as it did when it came in the package. If this is brown or gray, I mean, I feel like it kind of shifts in between the two. I think it will go pretty nicely with my shirt today, actually. Let me know what you guys think. What color do you think this is? I am going to put this on my eyes. I am going to use my Tetris and IPSY Tapered Blending Brush. I know this is a blending brush, but I want to try out the brush as well while I'm here doing this, so I'm going to use this. My eyes are already primed. I use a NYX eyeshadow primer, so I'm trying to pick some up off this right now, and it's just so glittery, and it doesn't really come off very well on the brush. So I'm gonna try this here. Okay. Ooh. Oh snap, that was a lot more than, like, it didn't really look like there was that much on the brush, but holy cow, looks like a lot right here. Wow. It's kind of cool. I mean, if you want, like, whoa, in your face eyeshadow, this is it. This would be really good for a halo eye. Just thinking about that as I do this. It does not, like, when you swipe it, it does not do that well, like, side to side, but I think it works better if you just press it in. Holy cow. Holy cow. I still can't tell what color it is because it's so much shimmer. Oh my goodness. Really like this. I think this would make for some interesting looks, and I think this color would actually go well with like any eyeshadow that you blend with it. I think you could do blacks, browns, grays, purples, pinks, oranges. I think you could do a lot with this. I do think browns would look the best. That's just my opinion. I just want to give you an update on the eyeshadow. I didn't really look up close into a mirror, but I finally did. And this has a lot of fallout. Like, I felt like I had something in my eye, so I came and looked, and I'm assuming it's just some of this glitter. I mean, it's not a make or break for me, but it really, because it is so glittery, it does have a lot of fallout. So if that's something that you don't like, then I would not recommend this. I mean, you can't really see it because the camera's not that zoomed in, but it is on my forehead, it's on my nose, it's under my eyes, it's like down here on my cheeks, it's everywhere. So I still like it, I'm still going to use it, but if you don't, then that might be a deal breaker for you. And the final product is a lip product from the brand Realher. Have not heard of this before. It's called Sorry Not Sorry Moisturizing Lipstick, and it is in the color Rose Pink. I did swatch this yesterday on my hand, once again, just to make sure I'm not allergic to it, because it is made with some things that I've never heard of or never tried before, so I just want to see. And I feel like this is such a waste of a package because it's so tiny. Like, they could have done away with half of this box, but anyways, I do like the packaging. I love black and white. It's like, black and white combos are the best. I mean, that's a pretty good size for a sample. That's more than... It's a very nice formula. I mean, to me, lipstick is lipstick, and they all kind of feel the same. At least I haven't had the experience of one that feels significantly different than the other. It's just a nice creamy lipstick. I really like it. I don't necessarily think that this color matches everything else in the video, but I still really like the color. I think it would be very, very nice. This has dried now. There's still like one spot that I put on extra thick that is not. Okay, so I did start to peel it, and I'm just going to try to see how well it comes off, because sometimes, that was mostly the whole thing. I was going to say, sometimes when you get peel-off masks, they come off in one piece, sometimes they break apart. That was mostly one piece, except for the spots that I made a little patchy. So I think to get a good effect from this, you do have to do a nice even coat. So those are all the products in my June IPSY bag. I love the eyeshadow, love the eyeshadow, love the lipstick, love the nail colors. I haven't tried this, but I have a feeling I'm going to love it. And I know I'm going to love this too. Overall, I think I made out pretty dang well on this June IPSY bag. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe. I got a lot more coming up. See ya.